Hello and welcome guys, hope you are doing well. So in this video of the Moodle tutorial, we'll see the custom field here. Okay, so as you know, you can have some additional field that is not being covered in Moodle by default. Suppose the user have their city and maybe city 1, city 2, city 3. Okay, suppose the same user have in within the three city or maybe the department have a different field, then how you'll be able to manage? So for that, you have option here. You can go for adding a custom field here. Okay, so under user you can add custom fields. Got it? So I have already created a video around it. You can search over the web, and I will also paste here the link around how you'll be able to add the custom field within user. Okay, account. The same way we'll have here option to add within a course. You can go for adding custom fields within the course. Okay, so that will be visible. The custom fields around the course will be visible under the setting of manage courses. Okay, so at the time of adding or editing courses, you will find those fields. The same way, the user additional field will be available on the add user form, edit user form, and of course, you can also handle this one from the CSV upload. But here in this video, I will also want to take your attention to additional thing here, that is the custom field. So suppose in many of the situation you will find you have to add the both the custom field you have to add on the both level, the user level and as well as the course level. Then how you will be able to handle? So Moodle also provide the way, that is a concept here, the shared custom field. You can go through and you can add one field that will be applicable for both. Okay, so if I click here and I can find here the shared custom fields. Suppose this is the one, so I can add here a new one. Let's say the short text. I'm adding here the DPT. Okay, and the short name. The similar way, you will be able to add the course for the user custom field, the normal one. Okay, so currently I'm moving ahead with the shared one. You can set up here the default input size and all. So I'm just going with the default one. So this is the department I just added here. And if I come to see under the courses, I can see under the courses, course custom field, I can see this is the one added here. Okay, so I don't see here the option to edit or make any action because this is added through the shared one. That is why it is not appearing here. So if I go here under the user, ideally I should see, but let me try that one. Okay, so user field. No, it is not coming here. So where it will be coming? So that would be coming here under cohort. So if I come to cohort field, so this is something it is added here. Okay. So I want to make a correction here. I previously I thought it will be added here on the user side, but no, it will be added here on the directly added will be here on the custom field. But yeah, the custom cohort field it will be added. But again, cohort is something to group the user. So indirectly it is being also added to the user here. But you will not be able to access this from the manage user. Okay. So this is all from this video. Hopefully this will be helpful in managing your Moodle LMS. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.